SAM Engineering and Trade Company is an engineering company that was established in 1980, based in Jordan. Since then, we have accumulated valuable experience in a variety of industries such as mining, fertilizers, water, energy, and hospitality. After a deep analysis of our needs and after consulting the local support here in Jordan, and as a part of our digitalization roadmap, we agreed to partner with SAP.
Working with SAP Business One, life become easier and we can manage time now.
The investment in SAP Business One, worth it. This investment will be reflected on our future processes, so we can measure our revenues, our sales. We can get benefits from the automated reporting dashboards.
What you can't measure, you can't control. So I can measure everything from my screen. So it's better for me to make any decision I want.
SAP Business One makes our life easier. I really recommend for any small or medium-sized company.
Actually, our business partners know that we are using SAP Business One, and that made them trust us more.
After SAP Business One, I dropped most of my work and started to do it with one click.
SAP Business One software helped us to fulfill all the governmental tax requirements in a very professional way.
In few words, we can say SAP Business One means control, means simplicity, it means visibility, is evolution.
SkyTech has provided us with a modern business consulting state-of-the-art support during the implementation and go-live phase. We highly recommend SkyTech as a company that has passion to success.
For me, SkyTech is partner for life.
SAP Business One is the future.
With SAP Business One, life has changed 180 degrees to perfection.
With the power of SAP Business One and having everything in control, we can say that we are drawing the roadmap of our future safely.